Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the location name in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So log into the terminal as a root user. So type the command hostnamectl. So here you can see that there is no location name is set so far. So from scratch we are going to set the location name. Hostnamectl space set hyphen location space location name. So I am setting the location as Chennai. So this is the way to set the hostname this is the way to set the location name using hostnamectl command. So location name basically used identify your computer in network, distributed networks. Suppose your computer located in different country or different state, means this command will be useful for you. Make use of it. So once again I am resetting the location name, that is I am putting back some other location name because I needed it. So this is the way to set the location name using hostnamectl command in Rocky Linux 9 operating system.